What's up, YouTube? This is Breeze bringing you a new video. It is called Will You Press the Button? This is the first time I've ever played it, and we'll do about 15-20 questions. So let's get into it. You can create a month named after you, but there will be riots outside of your house because everyone else wants a month named after them. To be honest, I don't need a month named after me just to have riots outside my house. So I will not press the button. It's not worth it. Why isn't it working? Okay, there we go. I was clicking the wrong one. 33% of the people press the button. Alright. You can look like anyone you want, and every attractive person of the opposite sex will be attracted to you and only you. But if you don't look in the mirror at least once a day, your good looks will disappear and all of your admirers will turn against you. I look in the mirror every day, so, I mean, how else are you gonna brush your hair, brush your teeth, all that kind of stuff? So, yeah, I'm gonna press it. I'll do it. 80% of the people press the button. That doesn't surprise me at all. Women, LGBT, etc. all gain independence, freedom, and given equal rights and are respected. But Mitt Romney becomes president. I don't know who that is. So sure. I don't know who Mitt Romney is. So yeah, you guys get your independence and all that. You have the ability to shapeshift into any form, be it someone of the opposite gender, a different species, etc. But you must stay in this form for your entire year. I mean, that's a tough one, but I'll just stay me. I ain't trying to be something for the rest of the year. I'm not trying to do that. Your favorite sports team wins the championship this upcoming season, but the team will not win another championship for at least 50 more years. So you have a chance of at least winning a championship, or have a potential chance of winning more than at least 5. But if they do win the championship, they can't for another 50 years. For my favorite sports team, which is the Pittsburgh Penguins, they actually got a chance to win consecutive championships. So I will not press the button because I believe they will win more than just one within that 50 years. If you know what I mean. Have any game in the world at any time, but you will never have a social life ever again. So, have any game in the world at any time. I think I can wait for the game to come out because I like my social life. And that would be a pretty boring life, to be honest, if you had no social life. So I'm not going to press the button. 43% press the button. God damn! Get some lives! You remove mankind's capacity for warfare and destruction and create world peace. But it means sending humanity back to the Dark Ages. What kind of question is that? So you can basically save the world and make it peaceful, but you have to send humanity back to the Dark Ages? What? I know I'm gonna get so much bad comments if I choose the wrong question. If I choose the wrong one. Oh, god damn. Uh... Fuck it, world peace! I know there's probably a way around it, but... Oh, we gotta go with world peace. You can help prevent the constant suffering of billions of animals, but you can no longer consume any animal products. What kind of animal products do they mean? Do they mean like... Hold on. You can no longer consume any animal products. Screw it, we're saving the animals! Oh, that's what they mean! Fuck it, we saving the animals. Valve instantly release Half-Life 3. What the heck? I'm confused already. Which was considered the best video game of the century. Okay, I don't know that video game. But you can never play Team Fortress 2 again. I don't play either of those games, so I will not press the button. Bad question. You get 1 million subscribers on YouTube, but there are the same amount of people trying to kill you. Oh shit. I mean, I want 1 million subscribers, that'd be awesome. But I ain't trying to die. Screw it, I'm staying in my house, we're getting 1 mil. Bad question. You will become immune to radiation and will be healed by it. Ooh, that's nice. But you carry the radiation with you and emit radiation yourself. And emit radiation. So I'm assuming the radiation comes with me, so if I go near other people, the radiation basically kills everyone else, so... I mean, I don't go near radiation at all, so... I will not press the button. Oh, this guy said we already emit radiation. Whoa. Shit, I didn't know that. Good question. You encounter $5 million, but it's a settlement in a divorce from your soulmate. It's a settlement in a divorce. So what are they trying to say? I get to keep the 5 million? Or I found the 5 million and I'm giving it to my soulmate? Well, by the sounds of it, we're getting the 5 mil. So I'm down. If it's a settlement from the divorce of your soulmate, then that means the alternative, not pressing the button, would be married to him, her, with $10 million. Obvious choice. Okay, well, I didn't know that. You get to have sex with any celebrity of your choice. Nice. But every one of their fans tracks you down and tries to kill you. I am not trying to die! We just went over that! Doesn't matter, had sex. Bring it, bitches. Apparently everyone wants to try and die. You can start fires at will, but you can only start fires while underwater. What the hell? There's no point. The fire's just gonna go out. I mean, what's the point of hitting I will not press the button? Because it's totally irrelevant. Fuck it, we're pressing it. That's a stupid question. You can journey to any time and place in existence, but it's a one-way trip. Oh my god. So are they saying you can't take a plane ride back? I mean, what if you're going on vacation? You get a free journey to your vacation, and then you can just take a one-way plane ticket back. That's cheaper if you think about it. Let's do it. Because it makes sense. You get to go to your vacation spot, stay there, take the plane back. Good question. I found a loophole. Alright. You can live in any universe you want, but you can't interact with anything in it. So you can live Mars. I mean, Mars is apparently the new spot, man. Nah, that'd be boring. You'd be able to, like, interact with nobody. All your sexual fantasies come true, but while your family and friends are watching. Ooh. Ah, no. Ain't about that life. Mother, brother, James, father? No. You're not watching. You can bring back to life any one person of your choice from all of history, but they will follow you around like a lost puppy, even to the bathroom. So is that like only from history? Like, or is that just anyone in general? No. That's kind of weird. Because, like, when you get married, they're, like, just chilling beside you. Nah. Kill the girl of my dreams, then bring her back to life. What's the point? What the hell? Oh, I get it. Okay. I mean, I guess so. You get a girl/boyfriend, but you will never have sex. I mean, no? I mean, I don't have a problem. I can get a girlfriend. I mean, I don't need a question to get me one. You become a main character in your favorite TV show or movie, but your favorite character dies in order to make room for you in the plot. Your favorite character dies. What? I mean... You either get the spot in your favorite movie or TV show, but your favorite character in that TV show/movie dies. I mean, I get a spot in the movie. Wait, does that mean they die in real life or in the movie? Ooh, bad question. Dies in order to make room for you. Oh. Okay, I'm going to click the button, but only because the favorite character dies in the actual movie and not in real life. Bang. Okay. That was the only reason why I hit the button. You'll be the smartest person on earth, but you'll be permanently drunk. Does that mean I have to drink? Or does that mean I'm just automatically drunk for the rest of my life? Nah, I don't care about being the smartest person ever, to be honest. Alright, we'll do one more question. You can play any instrument, but all your teeth fall out. What the hell? No. I need my teeth. Bad question. Alright, that'll be the end of the video, guys. Hope you all enjoyed the new video. This is my first time ever doing this, so don't forget to comment what you thought below. And don't forget to subscribe for more content. And don't forget to leave a like. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the